Scientists have noticed something pretty strange in our oceans. Fish are shrinking, and it all comes down to oxygen.
Yeah, it's a shocking prediction. Climate change is actually making fish smaller. But how is that even possible?
Okay, to get to the bottom of this, we need to look at how animals grow in the first place.
For a long time, scientists used this standard formula. It basically treated growth like a simple balancing act. But it was all based on one big assumption, that growth is always limited by some kind of surface.
They called it the 2/3 rule. Basically, a flat surface just can't keep up with a growing 3D body.
So what's the real bottleneck here? Is it the gut, absorbing food for fuel?
Or is it the gills, pulling in oxygen? Well, all the evidence points straight to oxygen. Think about it. A fish can store energy, as fat, but it has absolutely no way to store oxygen. So the gills are like the engine, and oxygen, that's the fuel. No fuel, and that engine just won't run. And right here is where that old 2/3 rule just totally falls apart. It's not that simple. This is where Dr. Daniel Pauly's research comes in. He looked at how gills grow in all sorts of fish.
And what he found was huge. There's a direct link between how a fish's gills grow and its maximum size.
So for little fish, that old rule kinda works. But for massive fish like tuna, their gills grow almost 1-to-1 with their bodies. This whole game-changing idea has a name. It's the gill oxygen limitation theory, or GOLT for short.
Okay, so how does this solve our shrinking fish mystery? Let's connect the dots.
It all starts with some pretty simple physics. Warmer water just can't hold as much oxygen.
Less oxygen in the water means less fuel for that engine. The gills just hit their limit way sooner.
And the result? The fish still grows fast, it just stops growing much earlier at a smaller size. And this is what's so incredible. The theory predicted this would happen decades before we actually saw it.
So why should you care? Well, smaller fish have a huge impact on everything from food webs to fishing.
It's a powerful reminder that all life is shaped by limits, and GOLT shows us a really fundamental one.
So, GOLT is a crucial tool for understanding our changing planet. It leaves us with a big question, though.